We're going to be trying this new microwave cleaner. It's by Zep, and it's supposed to be a miracle foaming cleanser that cleans your microwave in minutes with ease. Look at our microwave before. Spray the foam in the microwave where we want to clean. Now we might run the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes and we'll see what happens. Let's see how it worked. Now we just wipe it down with a towel and it should get most of the microwave gunk. Seemed to do fairly well on the door. Let's see how it did inside. Oh yes, fairly easy to wipe down. So now we've cleaned the microwave with the Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner. The microwave is clean. But I wouldn't say it worked any better than any other products I've used or other household uses. Out of a 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 6 because it did clean, but we still had to scrub quite a bit and it wasn't really easy.